Networking is the most important part of being a creative and is 80% of the success you will actually see in your journey. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I network on Instagram, and this will help you guys, get placements, get, opportunities in general. And if you don't know how to actually go about networking, this video is for you. Stick around. I'm going to be showing you guys in-game examples of how you can actually, network. So the first thing I need you guys to have or do is to build up, an Instagram. Get followers on there, post your work, just so people actually reply and you don't look like a little bot. Now, there's two ways you can do this. You can either look for money or just go for the connection. So first of all, if you want money, just DM random people, let them know what you're selling, what you're offering, and they'll either hit you back or they won't. Now, I wouldn't recommend this, personally. I have done it in the past, but it kind of ruins future connections because you want to have a genuine connection with people. Now, if you're not looking for money, I'm going to give you guys two paths you can go down. Now, if you're really trying to lock in with someone, DM them, I'm trying to lock in. Now, if they don't reply to that, hit their comments and then, maybe post on your story, tag them, I don't know, do whatever you want to actually lock in with them. The next path is to actually just make something for me, I would make a concept cover and I would send it their way. Now, I only do this with, managers and shit, because they actually check their DMs. I'm gonna walk you guys through how to actually network. We're gonna get straight into it. Alright, so we're on Instagram right now and I'm just gonna go to the underground rap hashtag, and there is this rap page that I used to go to for clients and shit. I used to go to here. I used to DM all these promos like this. Yeah, this dude retard. So yeah, I would just follow them, then comment some shit, like some fire emojis. I can't comment right now, they got me banned on here, but this is what it is, man. This is what it is. Where's the fire emoji? Yeah, they got me banned on here still, but it is what it is. I would just swipe up on the story, be like, yo, let's lock in. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. You tough. So I would do that, but I'm not gonna do that. I ain't trying to do that, I'm not gonna lie, but that is what you want to do. You want to do something like that. Now, if you're trying to make a sincere connection, just comment fire emoji, support them. That's all you have to do to actually make that sincere, genuine connection. Now, the extra tip I'm going to give you guys is to make a spreadsheet of all the managers and artists' emails, or even creatives. You don't have to just lock in with artists. You can lock in with creatives and collaborate and give each other opportunities to do different things. And don't rule out emails. They're just as important, because I got a Summers, it wasn't really a placement, but I sent him a cover to his email and he used it as his his profile picture, and I was tweaking the fuck out. So just keep emails in mind, because they are really important, and artists do check their emails because they're looking for beats, and if they see a cover in there and they like it, boom, that's an easy placement. Now, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like, subscribe, follow me on IG, and yeah, peace.